we are say no srekwa
Dr. George Akufo Dampa, I think one can also a postmortem Casadefa in leadership. You're going to make us say a BSc that they are fine, but the being said that Nasa is the first person, at least for a bossy to this extent. They are then a dangerous more Nankasa emo. Because, yes, Idi ami nkura me nyine see 23 so amanfo bo say because nipa dom na wodi o man kasa nim no e na ebo say you
yeah I should tell you say no now na atetigo
also the social media IGP
okay I say aduma na enye no social media
Daily Graphic
kwasi to was na me na mabo afa open tema kwan yeah, first anti-marriage gripe mixture, a relieved happy child, anointed engineering services, the generator experts, top choco, it's chocolate, Armin Scientific Herbal, Consolidated Bank of Ghana, we stand with you, Telecel, connecting energy. Squeezy,
Daily Graphic, and unse COP tete uniform aba. In uniform aba. And no
hey,
uniform aba. And then CC super cost no pay what IGP office one.
Yeah, CC ho clear ho nyina. Ti me so say no na
as of I think as of and then by Friday.
Yeah.
So as of Wednesday na dan perhaps wa fa na bibia wo bia.
Aprepra ho nyina.
Bibia na obia na. So fa. Ebi mo keka say once Sunday table na konya no. Enso munyai. Na command e koso please headquarters.
Say me yen nkonya ne tables ne ande. Yen nyina free.
So on se sano. I'm so ansesano.
And I never to me who ye sir.
Okay, no so just ombo manika. Because enye you nusika no de kwa ankonya na nye. Ankonya na nye. Dampare one church so. One fa bleed and twitwa ankonya nim. Etom ko sam se. Just so mutem se enye dampare ankonya na no te so nko ano. Ne na wo ba na nchen a. Sa so fa na mtenya. Om so nyina omunyi free o.
Say any party.
Me name the 80 great place for years sir. Sam konya na.
Kwasi ma me fa futu ma fufuro ya wo be.
Okay.
Say empanifo say
unmuwa
hwena kwasi asem no anu aka no Yesu Kristo wo ma no omoto Hosanna wo mu kro ya
they crucify
and no wo moto crucify
unnim owu a hwena
enti mo ma ni trimu nya ne de
yes
ma COP Christian tete yohunu no man
some so sa wo ebre ni no take e ka say me bro so nyum anope no when him say see you Dwaso because there's a likelihood say COP yohunu might face the same challenge.
One more year dan pare pindu ina one more besan so
because there's information say he was part of the division in the Ghana Police Service. So now the Dampare boys are also still at post,
and they will not rest.
And now COP Yonun Crawford want to go. See you some ho. Ezina ebimo you see any man nam so be Dampare mampani apam ne dada. Ne mampani ma ma etwen nyina the Constitution of the Council of State.
Yes.
And the affirmation say bibia atoteka. But the other advice I na kwaya say he shouldn't have appointed COP Yohunu, who was part of the division in the Ghana Police Service.
Do you think that matters? Here?
Maybe.
I mean,
no, you see,
here.
Yes, but a new man from a penny that went to decision the Dampare. Because I can back 5 years, but I'm not a super retired air king. 5 years now, already at all. Maybe I could do Yafena Baba yet. A director general,
regional commander, and I say,
it's wow, so powerful to Nessa Okweli retirement. Now, I hear what Bob Rebecca Craig won 55 years of your life, dear. Why you be now? The 55 July, yeah, no, 55, no, yeah, why you be. By seeing today, Nebu Musudamo Ekano, SS COP Teteonu. In fact, or a little crusader against Dampare. Yana microphobia more police service mom so yada dampare no enya that COPO no. But the issue is that's where your leadership comes to play. How you mend the fence.
The two sides, yeah.
The two factions now. Say no crescent no account no criteria. How I bet me first or many because so wanya see Jimmy say he will face the same challenge of Dr. George Akufo Dampare. President orders audit of SOEs and Tima Perma Manu Aka saying and no see any CEOs no.
Yeah.
Do know upon money say asa. And you are grown about video.
Because we share state-owned enterprises here. I don't want to grown one mudin
or see a shot say Macassa or see a say
grown one mudin or a bomb mining car
says a free salary. Me say, mentia said in tia a free mraya de cocoa, a free Fernando Po, a bagana. A besine, a fibia quadrama so quadribusia cocoa beans. A fibia. Meanwhile, the CEO of Cocoa Board, a fibia nakatria to Muba. Et you must see you. Et you see the $1 credit and you say every month you must save $1. Et you feel no any nya bottle bakusika. Et you penny for the president because I see you also from be about 5,000, 10,000. Et you money bet so increment. Near make you say be around your baby around on the ben or but the issue is the why do we continue to seed for Bosnia and the cocoa beans? From Fernando Po, cocoa beans bagano.
Because if you ask me, I feel some of these state-owned enterprises, you farmer and crankre, you privatize it.
My friend check is Giorgio Parado.
Pablo,
the Minister for Youth
Empowerment and Development. Yeah,
George
Pablo.
Opare. Minister George Opare.
Fantastic, Pablo.
Fantastic Minister. Yeah, fantastic Minister. But I say me catch and say, "Binya, you may go on so nyej marketwa."
Enough for more.
If they over 100,000 mobile free university, tertiary institutions never, 10% pen the nyej ma fiba.
That's serious.
Then it's serious.
That's serious.
Oh, yene young kuskunu so ho. Yene ye kwa dof crack.
Maybe dof crack your mom will invest a bomb.
100,000 kwa muntu so anu. Then ya
inform for
ya red atuno.
But you're careful. Oh no, and I did.
And annual.
Wouldn't read
me. Send them about time to talk. No. Yeah. Just talk. I was sick on the chief director.
Yeah.
It was shame with the they'll find a way to deal with this challenge. Yeah. George Yeta Wachi. Let there be a catch all. And the papa by the Beckham was him. A cheer by 12 years. Yes, a town.
That be
so you
money here, you don't
so succeed. I'm Ghana's first minister for youth. A Bayern. What is shape of Guaquem? Mamabru to
say, Ubo Pablo, my enchia in Lawyer Chumberima. Lawyer Chumberima. And lay or Mampenia Bonidi.
Lawyer Chumberima.
Say Uncle Deputy Director General.
Lawyer Chumberima.
Narcotics Control Commission.
Lawyer. Okay.
Alexander.
Okay.
Chumberima.
Alexander Chumberima.
Are you a man, mommy? Lawyer Alexander
Chumberima Esquire. I want to do that. Bye.
Big congratulations and come Lawyer Chumberima. So Mampenia Bunidi, Deputy Director General, Narcotics Control Commission.
Enti Bettina Susemenchiao, agent.
Sao.
Ewatema. Bettina Ose Ajiman.
Also, okay.
I will say great CJ for me.
Oh,
minim niaba.
Oh yeah.
I say I could
say in chia the den e ban san chia.
What make say minim na make minim niaba. I say I could say great CJ for me.
Mejene so.
Eti Bettina
Kwasi mejene so.
Yeah, oh yeah. Clearing agent.
Yeah.
And also mean chia CJ.
Oh, okay.
Chief Jerry Force.
Mejene so.
Eti Bettina CJ so ojoso.
Kwasi nkrata na gu anim.
Pastor Menso Tabeso na kaso ese o man ya mamra de ebo man Ghana ho puntuo no. O say make sure say eye adwuma ye pa. To say strict law enforcement for national development. Auditor General recovers 31.5 million Ghana cedis money transferred to Consolidated Bank. A fund. Okay. That's what you're from. money is can yen ka ketu 31.5. Okay, when you bad. It the amount for so far kwati kwa for man Ghana scano. Ya jimu be say 31.5 million Ghana cedis. E dey akoto abai for 2. Yeah, no so dem adweno. And then chine ye be sa. The new center.
Now what you grand trem now, but I'm not next week now. Crazy. Okay, one new news will happen. Yes. And the Numna, the Abasi, the
first one here, you know,
Entity away to Sumami. Say, away to Sumami. I say, Kuya.